Hey everyone, welcome to Reviva's channel. Today I'll show how to make a donate button in Roblox's Please Donate on mobile. First, open Google and go to Roblox. Okay? Log into your account and click Continue in browser. Next, click the Create button here. Here, select Creation and choose our world. Click on the three lines. Click on Passes here. Now click Create Pass. Name it. Done. Then click Create. There. Go in and click the three lines again. Click and set the price here. Hit save. Now go back to Roblox. Enter please donate, right? Choose an empty spot. And here's our button. That's it. This was Reviver. Like and subscribe to the channel. Wishing you all a good life and good luck. See you later, everyone.